Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Raptor 350 plastics is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any rider looking to restore or customize their Yamaha Raptor 350, impacting not only the aesthetic appeal but also the overall protection and performance of the ATV, ensuring that your ride not only looks sharp on the trails but also stands up to the rigors of off-road adventures. Number 5. MASSFX MK Series ATV UTV Tire Set. Introducing the MASSFX MK Series tire set, engineered for superior durability and performance. These tires are designed to handle diverse terrains with ease. Experience exceptional traction and stability on trails, dunes, mud, and rocky landscapes. They are built to excel wherever your adventure takes you. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including sport quads, ATVs, UTVs, and SXS. They meet the needs of both recreational and utility users. Enjoy improved cornering, responsive steering, and enhanced handling for a safer and smoother ride. The balanced design ensures reliable control. Tackle rugged trails and challenging paths with confidence. These tires provide the durability and control needed to elevate your off-road experiences. Featuring a robust 4-ply construction with a deep 15mm tread depth, these tires are built to last. They offer the resilience you need for demanding use. What we like. Experience superior durability and performance with these MK Series tires. They are engineered to excel on virtually any terrain, from trails to mud and rocks. If you're looking for a versatile tire set that can handle diverse off-road adventures and fits a wide range of sport quads, ATVs, UTVs, and SXS vehicles, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These tires look awesome. Tires on my son's Raptor went through mud like nothing while I struggled on a Polaris 4x4 scrambler with different tires. Tires seem to be of very good quality. Installed these on my son's quad and they have amazing grip. I have $600 worth of ITP mudlights on mine and he was going through the mud easier than I was. Number 4. WANDA Full Set Sport ATV Tires. Introducing the WANDA Full Set of Sport ATV Tires. Designed for your Yamaha Raptor 350, 660, and 700 models. These tires are built to handle any type of cross-country terrain. Conquer any trail with confidence. Experience superior grip thanks to the dynamic tread pattern. It provides exceptional traction in all conditions. This is a full set, including 2 front and 2 rear tires. It's everything you need for a complete replacement. They feature a heavy 4-ply rated nylon construction. This makes them resistant to punctures and abrasions, ensuring longevity. Please note that this package includes the tires only. Rims are not included with this purchase. What we like. Get exceptional traction across all cross-country terrains with this dynamic tread pattern. This full set provides a complete replacement for your front and rear tires, featuring heavy 4-ply construction for puncture resistance. If you need a reliable and robust tire set for your Yamaha Raptor 350, 660, or 700 and want to ensure great grip in varied conditions, this set is ideal. What people say. Tires were easy to mount and seem to be holding up nicely. Cheap, grippy, no issues whatsoever. Perfect fit. My son needed new tires for his 4-wheeler, so we bought these, and they were perfect fit and now he's loving it. Number 3. AMR Racing Yamaha Warrior 350 Stars and Stripes Graphics Kit. Introducing the AMR Racing Graphics Kit for your Yamaha Warrior 350. This kit features a bold stars and stripes design, perfect for customizing your ride. Each piece is precision cut for a professional look and feel. Installation is a breeze with the included guide, making it a simple DIY project. Crafted from triple-layered vinyl, this kit offers exceptional durability. It includes a vivid design protected by a clear, armor-like overlaminate. The strong adhesive backing ensures that these decals stay put, providing a lasting finish. Enjoy a polished look that stands up to the elements. Proudly made in the USA, this graphic kit is designed for quality and longevity. It's a vinyl decal kit, not replacement plastics. What we like. Transform your ATV's look with this easy-to-install, professional finish graphic kit. Featuring triple-layered vinyl with a clear protective overlaminate, it offers armor-like protection for your existing plastics. If you want to give your Yamaha Warrior 350 a custom, durable, and eye-catching appearance without replacing the entire plastic body, this decal kit is perfect for you. What people say. Good fit and good quality. Better than pic shows, love it. Number 2. Heavy-duty waterproof ATV cover. Introducing our heavy-duty ATV cover, designed for maximum protection. It offers superior defense against the elements, keeping your vehicle safe and sound. This cover boasts a universal XXL size, fitting most four-wheeler ATVs from top brands. Its generous dimensions ensure a snug and complete fit for your ride. Engineered with multi-layer protection, including waterproof and UV coatings, it shields your ATV from rain, snow, and sun. It's built to withstand all types of weather. Featuring a stretched hem and elasticated base, it wraps securely around your ATV's tires. The design ensures it stays in place, even when you're towing it on the road. Equipped with two thickened windproof buckles, this cover stays put even in strong winds. It integrates seamlessly with a trailering system for added security. When not in use, it folds neatly into the included storage bag. This makes it incredibly easy to store and carry, making it an essential ATV accessory. What we like. Protect your ATV from all weather conditions with this heavy-duty, waterproof Oxford fabric cover. Its universal XXL size ensures a great fit for most four-wheelers, including popular models like the Raptor. With features like a stretched hem and windproof buckles, it stays securely in place, even when towing. If you need reliable, all-weather protection for your ATV during storage or transport, this cover is a must-have. What people say. Thin material but fits my 07 Honda Rincon 680 perfect. Okay, the material appeared thin at first, but it's a lot tougher than it looks. Fit really well, incredibly waterproof, easy to put on. Tough material. Really like it. Stealth black on one side and dull silver on the other. It fit over my 2007 Polaris Sportsman 500HO and covered the winch, but not quite to the ground. The XXL size stopped with about the lower one-third of the tire showing. Number 1. SunF 21x7-10 front and 22x10-9 rear ATV UTV tires. Introducing a set of 4 high-performance tires designed to elevate your ATV or UTV experience. These tires offer exceptional grip and durability for any adventure. Featuring an aggressive, directional knobby tread, these tires excel in various terrains. Experience superior performance on trails and beyond. Crafted with a premium, hard rubber compound, they are built to withstand the rigors of racing and harsh conditions. The heavy 6-ply construction ensures puncture and abrasion resistance. Enjoy enhanced skid and traction control thanks to the deep lug pattern. Aggressive shoulder knobs provide excellent side bite and protect your rims and sidewalls. These tubeless tires are an ideal replacement for your quad ATV, UTV, go-kart, golf cart, or lawn mower. Ensure correct sizing before purchase for a perfect fit. What we like. Conquer challenging terrains with these aggressive knobby sport tires featuring an X angled tread design for superior performance. The heavy 6-ply rated construction offers excellent puncture resistance, ideal for harsh racing conditions. If you're looking for enhanced skid and traction control, especially in desert or cross-country environments, and want added protection for your rims and sidewalls, these tires are a fantastic upgrade. What people say. The plastics are a perfect fit for the Raptor 350. They look great and hold up well to riding. Easy to install and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.